happy Wednesday. Happy Wednesday. I'm a little late today because my boy Cam reminded me that I forgot to release the vlog today. So I just barely released it. It's 10:42. So I've been working for a tiny bit because I did want to spend a little bit more time with my family tonight. So I helped more and spent some time with the kids, read them some books, and then I came out and worked. So I got the vlog released because I used to only be like a day or two after I recorded it, but I just barely released Wednesday's video. So today's Wednesday too. So I am officially 1 week behind, which honestly is kind of nice because then it makes it probably less stressful for me and less stressful for Cam because we're not having to edit so fast. But got some jobs to do today. I've got some banners to print. I have 2 for the high school. They actually had their internal production system printer, I don't know, print some banners for them, and they spelled statistical wrong, put 2 S's in the middle of it. And they also spelled Marshall wrong. It's for a parade tomorrow, and it's the Grand Marshal, and Grand Marshal in that instance has 1 L. So I've got to be the hero for them and get a couple of banners printed. I have also got a guy running for local city council that wants 10 vinyl banners. I just barely, so I guess I did a little bit of work as well. I just barely made his artwork. Let's see if he's responded. Yeah, he's pretty quick to respond. He's got 10 banners that he wants that are 4x3. So that's perfect since the HP latex does 54 inches. These are 48, so I can fit them right close to each other and fill up the whole media and make some pretty decent money on that order. So hopefully he'll approve it tonight and I can get all those banners printed at once. I told him turnaround was 1 to 3 days, so if I can get them printed today, then I can get them cut over the next couple of days. So other than that, I work too much. I'm too tired. I got an order for some sticky notes. So as a promotional products distributor, you can purchase sticky note or post-it note. I'm pretty sure I'm doing sticky. It's whatever the 3M brand is. I don't have my thing with me. I think 3M is post-it. So I'm ordering post-it notes. I already actually placed the order. Decent money on those types of things. I'm thinking about potentially doing a course that you guys could take that I would basically reveal all my secrets of sources and how the process works and what you need and how to do it. If that's something of interest or you think it would be interesting, let me know. Other than that, got a few other outsourced orders that I need to take care of. I'm not sure if Bob is coming over. I know he's got a couple of things kind of pending, and I saw he uploaded a couple of jobs to Dropbox, but I can't remember if he said he was coming over or not. So hopefully an easy night. I do need to do some embroidery on hats. I don't really want to, and I've been avoiding it, and sadly it's my brother-in-law, so he suffers because of me. I just need to get them done. So I probably will get the banner started, then do the hats. Okay, I guess an update. The Ricoh is officially leaving tomorrow, which is a little nerve-wracking. I had a customer that I told them I got the printer and I'd want more orders from him, and he texted me today and said, how quick could you get 4,500 copies done? So that would be a sweet job to get. He didn't respond. I said, well, what kind of paper do you need? What turnaround time are you thinking? And he hasn't responded, so I'm a little nervous. I want to make sure I'm a good resource for them, but that would suck to instantly tell them, hey, I have this great tool that I can do this extra work for you, and then now it's disappearing. like I did talk to Kanaka yesterday. I talked to him again today. They're printing some samples for me. I have an appointment with them next Tuesday to go see, like run it and see it and do everything in person. So crossing my fingers that that will be the solution. It's a more expensive solution, but hopefully the solution. So since I'm yawning so much and just rambling, I'm gonna get on with the banners and we'll see you in a bit. All right guys, the banners just finished. I had a couple of hiccups with them. So it's now 12:45, so I am not gonna get the Bach back here, even though I need to. So I'm gonna plan on doing that tomorrow, and I'm taking Friday off from working. So I'm gonna really try hard to get Bach running tomorrow to do those hats. I gotta finish up some more artwork right now and just double check I'm not missing any orders or scheduling. So things are going well, not too much more to do tonight, hopefully, but it'll likely be 2 o'clock though. So check in a bit. All right, print fam, I just finished some heat transfers and they were kicking my butt. It's now a little after 2, so if you want to buy 2 o'clock club stickers, they're down in the description. But we printed or cut some vinyl for Cam yesterday, so I turned the, or I don't even know how to put it. I regular faced the cutting instead of mirrored, and I'm used to having everything just defaulted to mirrored. So I cut it and then I weeded it and realized it was backwards. So then I cut it again and realized that the line was really a outlined line, so it double cut, which caused an issue for that. So then I had to go and turn the line into a path and merge it. Finally got them done, so that's out of the way, and I'm calling it a night. I didn't get everything else done that I should have. I need to order some yard signs for a campaign, so I'll just get those done tomorrow, and then a couple of designs worked out. So not a bad day, definitely a little discouraged. Need to get some money brought in. This will probably be my worst month this year, so a little sad, a little frustrating, but progress will be made. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you haven't already, please subscribe. If you have any questions about what I do, how I do it, why I do it, leave it down in the comments. Thanks, Cam, for always being there, always reminding me and editing the videos. Have a good one. See you later.